one resistance point is precisely the one that I talked about earlier, which is that operators are expecting to be able to do things their own way, whereas there is this friction, whether there is AI or not for that matter, between the manufacturing engineers or industrial engineers or operational excellence folks, that, hey, we need to standardize the process, but the operator has, no, I don't want it standardized, or I want it to still be comfortable for me. We are able to empower the line leaders to bring in operator insights and operator feedback, and also, bring in industry standards around comfort into play while they're looking for efficiency, right? Too often what happens with operational excellence leaders is that they're looking to meet day-to-day production targets. So they are not able to incorporate, or there is an ergo team that's separate and that's only looking at extreme stress. They're not looking at day-to-day comfort. So what we're able to do is, look, AI can really help you standardize processes in a more comfortable way. And that's one thing that we help these operators with. So that's a friction point sometimes. The second friction point is, of course, privacy. If you have cameras on the line, operators are worried about, are their faces getting captured? Are their, tattoos getting captured, right? Those kinds of things. And the way we comfort them in those instances is that most of the time, our cameras are not looking at the operators' bodies at all. We are trying to monitor the process, not the operator. We just need to look at the bench top, let's say, that's being used. And even if the operator comes into the camera view, we have facial blurring built in the tool. We can blur out the entire body of the operator. We can pixelate out certain regions in the scene. So, the feedback we've been able to get from customers, including customers where you have, strict unions that are operating in those factories, as out of all of their, process analytics tools, ours is the one that faced the least amount of resistance. In fact, the operators felt excited to be using these tools because they see it as an assistant to themselves, where they are being assisted. It's an extra pair of eyes. It's helping them. It's supporting them.